Go collect better treatment, may you see better doctor, may your body stand gidigba. This one na the advice wey dey for former president Olusegun Obasanjo. Sake of say the 16-page letter wey he write give ogbonge president Muhammadu Buhari, na im go be the last blow wey dem go throw to take attack with president. We first message to the former president na say he need better doctor and may get better treatment. And this one no be say may you get treatment alone, may you respond to the treatment because he need dey well. This character wey former president dey do so na wetin he don dey do since he comot for presidential office since 1979, and he no dey let any leader of the country make dey waka well for the office. And this one he dey try with President Muhammadu Buhari, but matter don fail am, as e be say the qualities wey President Muhammadu Buhari get no be wetin go fit step down for former president Olusegun Obasanjo. No be today tori for we country see any leader wey former president Olusegun Obasanjo wey be say e no fit control, he go begin dey try many mago and katakata to make sure say he bring am down. And as e be say na him be the oga patapata for corruption matter, and this one no be my mouth na I talk am, na National Assembly na him open him yansh for this one. So make una mind settle down on top the election, the one wey dey come so for February, sake of say e go dey free and fair. We ogbonge president Muhammadu Buhari, he don confirm am. And wetin former president Olusegun Obasanjo and him entourage dem for PDP, wetin dem dey expect, they no go know, because this one go hit them like bomb. Sake of say the gap wey APC go give them for this election, e go high pass the one wey they give them for 2015. All the unrun say President Muhammadu Buhari and APC dey waka up and down say they wan go recruit collation officer on top election. All this one na lie, and na pepper body na im dey cause am, based on the fact say the third agenda wey be say na third term matter wey President Olusegun Obasanjo wan try when he dey there, the matter fail am, so body e dey pepper am. So President Muhammadu Buhari wey be say he don waka on many things to make sure say we country don reach better level for international standard. Na him wan come bring himself down to the stage wey be say Olusegun Obasanjo don bring himself to. This one no go fit happen at all, unto say President Muhammadu Buhari work na to attack corruption. And this one dey surprise former president Olusegun Obasanjo, because say he no believe say President Muhammadu Buhari, as he talk say he wan fight corruption, he no believe say this thing e go work the way Muhammadu Buhari take talk am when he enter power. And this one sef, all this character wey President Olusegun Obasanjo wey e dey try, this one no go surprise person, unto say this one na person wey be say na leader wey gbase $16 billion, talk say na sake of power supply, power wey be say person no see 1 megawatt, may e join wetin we nation don forget before, and now body dey fear am, unto say e no fit explain the motto wey the money wey e follow waka, and e no get liver, the one wey oyinbo dey call say na cowardice na im dey do am. Former president Olusegun Obasanjo still dey talk wetin himself no understand, na sake of this one na im make am go need better treatment. Say President Muhammadu Buhari na im cause the wall of Jericho, the one wey fall for Libya, and na im come still talk say we as Africans we suppose stand together. Una no see say this one na confusion, and na treatment na im be the only solution wey this one go use. Former president Olusegun Obasanjo na person wey be say people for we country be dey look am well, say this one na role model, na who we suppose copy, until when we former president Yaradua burst in kettle talk say make e come explain when $16 billion where e waka go. Na this one na im come open im yarn say na im be the ringleader for the association of people wey dey corrupt for we country. For former president to come dey talk for im 16-page letter, say President Muhammadu Buhari and General Sani Abacha wey be say himself na former head of state for military regime, this one na person wey be say e throw am put for prison that time, say two of them na the same thing. This one no be better talk say President Muhammadu Buhari dey put rigging machine for everywhere. All these ones e no go let person know wetin e wan talk put, but the main thing wey be koko be this: make former president Olusegun Obasanjo may e see better doctor, may e collect better treatment, because this one na lie wey no suppose dey come out for person wey be 90-year-old wey don waka well on top this world. And not the one wey be say e dey plan say e wan bring down President Muhammadu Buhari, na lie, na himself na him wan drag go down pass where e don go down reach.